Hi, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash. I am a makeup artist and a book lover, and today's video is just a very quick, simple get ready with me because I'm going on a date with my husband. This date is just going to be a movie date. We don't go see movies as often as we used to, so it's just a nice little date, little thing that we can do, and this time around we're seeing Beetlejuice. But I'm just doing this very simple makeup. It's nothing extravagant, but it is a good chill date makeup. Especially when you've been with the guy for over 10 years and he kind of just loves you no matter what you look like. So definitely nothing fancy, but it's good enough for the movie theater. So if you want to see how I put this look together, just go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, I'm just going to jump into this and I'm going to start by moisturizing. I'll do my brows. I'm going to be using my calming moisturizer and I have about 40 minutes to get ready. I'm gonna try and speed through this. So when me and my husband do go on a date, I try to do simple base makeup and something fancy on my eyes. But it's just a movie date today, and then we gotta run to the store afterwards. It is what it is. It's currently Friday the 13th when I'm filming this. I'm not sure when this is going up, but as I am pretty sure I'm gonna state in the intro, we are gonna go see Beetlejuice, finally. And it's funny because my husband does not like Beetlejuice, but he's taking me because we were supposed to go for my birthday and it just didn't work out with our work schedule. I have no idea how I'm going to feel about the new movie. I'm a big fan of the first one, but regardless, I am very excited for it. If you're married and you go on date nights, like, what do you do for your dates? We honestly don't go out as often as we used to, because we try to just save money for special occasions, and movies are so expensive now, so we rarely ever go. He said the last movie we watched was, oh, what did we go see? Oh, Deadpool. That was the last movie we watched. Before that, we haven't been to the movie since last year. We go out to eat every once in a while. We don't really do much. We don't drink, so it's not like we go out to, I don't know, what's a drinking event? I guess we kind of treat like concerts as date nights also. We love a good concert. The next one we're going to is in October, which I think is technically our first one of this year. If I don't mention the makeup products, I'm going to have everything listed down below, but this is the e.l.f. Halo Glow. I'm going to test this out with the e.l.f. Satin Foundation, see how I feel about that. But yeah, what do you guys do for date nights? Honestly, it doesn't bother me too much that we don't go out as often. I'm much more comfortable just chilling at home. I'm a homebody. Like, I love just being at home. Plus, you know, my job is retail, so I'm always working with people and dealing with customers, so like, home is safe. Home is very safe. I'm gonna put this on underneath, but I feel like it works better on top with what I'm doing, but whatever. If I use double the product, I use double the product. Now, I do like my makeup to last when I go on a date, but honestly, my husband loves me with or without makeup, and I think like 80% of the time I don't wear makeup. I've really been into this Colourpop blush. I feel like I should try it on top of my foundation, but I've been liking it underneath as just like a base, and my blush actually lasts longer. So anyway, I'm not sure when this video is going up, but our wedding anniversary is coming up in about a week. Let me see. The 19th is our wedding anniversary / dating anniversary. We actually got married on our dating anniversary. So we'll be married 4 years this year, which is crazy to think about. But I love my husband. He's the best. He treats me so well, even on days when I don't deserve it. So I have been testing out this e.l.f. foundation. I did film a first impression / review / I tried it like 2 days in a row and filmed it, and I am very impressed with it. I love how it looks, I love how long it lasts, and I'm just in love with it. I didn't think I would find a foundation that would be out my favorite foundation, which is the About Face one, but this just needs to come into stores so I don't have to order it online, and I'll be happy. I feel like I need a little bit more of this cream bronzer just on my cheeks. I'm not gonna do the nose because I feel like you can kind of see it. I definitely like to layer all of my makeup. It just makes it last. I'm gonna go in with concealer just a little bit. I haven't been putting concealer everywhere. I feel like I haven't been needing it. I'm not gonna put any on my lids because I am going to use an eye primer. I'm really liking this combo. My skin looks so good. I don't need my makeup to look very like overly special, because like I said, we're just going to the movies. I'll be honest, sometimes I just won't even wear makeup to the movie, but since we're running around afterwards, figure why not. I'm gonna go with my faux freckles. This is the Nabla Freckle Maker. and I like to dot it on my finger and then just lightly pat it on, and go in with a clean finger and pat it around. You can use a sponge to pat it out, but I prefer my finger for like at least the beginning, and then I go in with a sponge if I really need to kind of diffuse things down. So if you have seen the new Beetlejuice movie, please let me know down below what you think of it. I have high hopes for it. I'm gonna go in with my bronzer from Flower Beauty. I'm really hoping to hit pan on this soon, and it feels like it's just not gonna happen. It's not a bad bronzer. Is it technically like the right shade for me? Probably not. It is what it is. For blush, I'm gonna go in with Swirled from Colourpop. Probably should have went with a different blush because I think the eyes are gonna be a little bit more cool toned, but whatever. And just a little bit on the nose. For highlight, I'm gonna do the Twilight shade from Unearthly. This is actually a really pretty highlight. Just so sparkly. I keep looking down like there's a mirror in here, and there's not. Alright, and then I'm gonna set my face at this point. This is from Elli Beauty. I think I just got the email today that they're finally officially closing. I think they're just on their last leg of products left. Now for the fun part, after I finish up my brows, the eyeshadow. And I'm going to be trying out the Nomad Ghost Town USA palette. I'm so excited to give this a try, and I got powder all over my shirt. I think I'll finish up my brows after I do my eyeshadow. I love that. So cool. And this is what she looks like. Gorgeous. I realized I never turned on my bat. It's the brightest when I first turn it on, and like the batteries aren't old, but it like doesn't stay super bright. I always grab more brushes than I think I need. So I'm gonna just quickly prime with my Anastasia eye primer. Alright, don't know exactly what I want to do. I was thinking a little more like smoky liner situation. So I'm gonna start with a Blend Bunny B1 brush, and I'm gonna go into, how about this one, Stagecoach Mary. Pick up just a little bit of that, and I'm gonna start right on the outer corner. Obviously you could do like a cream liner down and then blend that out, but I think I want to try to do majority of this with the shadow. It almost has like a greenish blue undertone to it. It's really pretty. I've already tried 3 other Nomad palettes, and I have been obsessed with them. I have a video of me trying out those palettes, which I will try to link in the eye, but I am thoroughly impressed with this brand, and I can't wait to just try even more. So I have this palette, and then the other one I bought with this was the Haunted European one. So excited for that. And these are 2 totally different shapes. Love that. It's hard for me to do this because I can't close this eye and keep this eye open. I can only close this eye and keep this one open. I'm just going to build this up a bit and just really focus it right on the edge. And I'm actually going to take a little bit of this right on the lower lash line and just connect that to the top. Alright, and I am not going to be wearing any false lashes with this because when I go to the movies, I like to be able to see the screen, so I wear my glasses, and most of my lashes are too long for my glasses. So I'm just gonna heavily coat my lashes with mascara. I'm gonna go in with a e.l.f. blending brush, which not the typical blending shade, and I'm gonna go into the shade Ghost Town here, and I'm gonna use that basically just right over top of that just to help blend it out a bit. Now, if we were just going out to like eat or something, I would definitely wear lashes. Kind of not feeling it today. I do have another video I need to film when we get back from the movies, but we'll see how it goes. This side definitely looks better than this side, but it's whatever. It's whatever. I'm gonna go into Arrested Decay, and I just have a detailer brush from Moda Pro. It's getting just a little bit of that. I'm gonna focus this right at the lowest point right here. Don't know if I love that or I like the placement. I'm gonna go back in with that first brush with Stagecoach Mary and just re-intensify that color. I feel like I lost a little bit of it with the other 2 shades. I'm gonna go back into that e.l.f. blending brush and Ghost Town. I'm gonna just sweep that right in here. So I always feel like I need a little something, and just kind of not really connecting it, but just kind of smoothing it all together. Harley LaRue has a new book coming out. I'm on Instagram. Harley LaRue announced House of Rain, a sapphic gothic romance. It's the first time I'm seeing it. Maybe it's not a new announcement, but that's exciting. I really like Harley LaRue. I really like their writing style. So good. I go in with a little bit of liner. This is from the NYX and Beetlejuice collection, which is fitting since, you know, Beetlejuice. I'm just gonna do a small wing, just like that. Nothing bigger. No matter how much I screw up, nothing bigger. And I'm just stopping it like right here. I'm not dragging it all the way over. And I'm going to take a little bit of that on the lower lash line just to connect the top and bottom. Again, not going like super far over. Definitely not perfect. I'm gonna flip it over and do the chrome side. It's like green and gold. It's so pretty. The flip is crazy. I don't know if you can see it, but it's so cool. Just gonna drag this line a little bit more below. Now let's go in with a shimmer. What I want to do. Shimmers in here look so pretty. I think I'm gonna go in first with, I think this is Lowlight Nevada, and I'm gonna actually take that with a brush because I kind of want to just scatter it. Just where I kind of have no shadow, just a little, you know, tappy tap. Kind of feel like I need a little bit more on my outer corner. Just a little bit. I'm gonna go in with a mix of Stagecoach Mary and the rest of Decay. Just a little mix, and then right over where I did that liner, just start kind of smoking that again. If I have to go back in with the liner, so be it. And just going in with another brush just to blend, no additional product. It's okay. It's okay. Moving on. I'm gonna go in with, I think, Tombstone here. I'll try that maybe on my inner corner. I'll just go in with my finger. Don't love that. Okay, going back in with Lowlight Nevada. It's right on top. It's a little bit too dark for my inner corner. This is just a clean blending brush. Diffuse that a bit. It's not going as I wanted it to, whatever. I'm gonna take a little bit of Ghost Train here. So why not? I'm just gonna take that on my finger. Ooh, that's a duochrome. Ooh. I'm just gonna tap that right in here. That is so pretty. I'm gonna go back over my wing liner just a little bit. Not loving it. We're gonna deal with it. I'm gonna do some dots. Nothing like too extravagant, just a couple dots. Just around, just to do a little something. Especially since I'm not gonna be doing lashes. I'm gonna call it quits there. I do like this palette. I wish I would have done it better justice, but I am going to curl my lashes. I bought a new lash curler and I don't know where I put it. Anyways, this is like a really old small one, so I've always been kind of afraid of the regular size eyelash curlers just because I pinched my lid really hard once and it hurt for days. So I've been kind of scarred from that a little bit, I guess. Alright, and I think for mascara, I'm just going to go with my Rare Beauty one. This is the Perfect Strokes mascara because I finally remembered the name. Alright, I feel like I'm very washed out. So I feel like it looks much different in person than it does on camera. But I think it's just my lighting. So I'm just going to really quick go ahead and finish up my brows. I'm just going to like throw in a brow gel or something. And throw on like a lip oil, and then I'll be back to show you the completed look and to wrap up this date night get ready with me video. Alright, and here is the finished look. I am not doing anything special with my hair. I just threw on a lip oil because I'm probably gonna be eating popcorn, and who wants to eat lipstick with your popcorn? I don't. So I do like how this makeup came out, but I do think I need to try this again just to do it better justice because I feel like it's not the best, but it's what you get when you're crunched on time because you decide to film a little bit too close to when you have to leave. So let me go ahead and zoom you out and I can finish up this video. Alright, so this completes my hopefully quick get ready with me date night edition sort of thing. I don't know what I'm calling this, but it's pretty simple makeup, pretty easy to do, pretty fast to do, so I am pretty happy with it. How many times can I say pretty? So let me know what you think of this video. All of the makeup details and everything that I talked about will be listed down below, so make sure you check that out. If you like this video, make sure you give it a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you want, you can follow me on my other socials. I'm artistryxashh everywhere. And if you want some book content, I am Ashley with 2h's.reads on TikTok and Instagram. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this, and I will catch you all in my next video. Bye!
Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own.